Alright, welcome to this video. I've been looking for a UHRS alternative for both OneFormer and CrowdGen. So I came across this website, Juma Workers. So watch this video and see the explanations on how to take the sign up and the kind of tasks that is available in this Juma Workers is an alternative for UHRS. Understand? So just watch the video and see why they there. I also make another video that is more explanatory than this one. I was just going through the website, so I decided on my screen recorder so I could share with you guys here. The one thing about the website that there's no verification that you have to do before you start working with the company.